Welcome back to Miss Shea's Kitchen. Today I'm showing you how I marinate and barbecue my meat. I'm a meat lover. I'm a lioness. A Leo as well. So we'll start by putting our T-bone in a bowl. I don't use a lot of spices. It's just very simple. We'll start by using the Braai grill, spice barbecue. And then I will add a bit of cooking oil and mix it together. That's it. You marinate your meat, you make sure it gets together and comes together. Then you put it in the fridge for like an hour or more, and then you put it on your barbecue grill. For this, I put in the fridge for an hour as I started to marinate and make salads for the barbecue. Guys, I'm a meat lover. I love meat, and barbecue is one of my favorite places to be outside just barbecuing. So make sure all the spices are you mix them well and together until your piece of meat looks amazing. And then after you're doing that, it's very simple, guys. We are done. We close, we put it in the fridge. Then after putting it in the fridge, you grill your meat. Give it an extra attention because this meat doesn't take long to cook, so it easily burns. You need to be there giving your meat attention. But otherwise, that's it, guys. That's it. You now enjoy your meat with salads. And after trying it, please tell me what you think. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, switch on your notification button so that if we have any new videos, you get to know. Love you guys.